Hey guys, I'm Jimit, and on this channel, I share with you what I've discovered about health and wellness. Today's episode is about sunlight and sleep, and the hormones serotonin and melatonin, and how you can optimize them to get the best quality sleep. Sunlight in the morning is one of the easiest and simplest biohacks available to you. The simple act of waking up in the morning and getting sunlight exposure on your eyes and skin can have a profound impact on the quality of your health. I discovered this firsthand when I decided to wake up at 6 in the morning and step out for a daily walk. It had a measurable impact on the quality of my day. How does sunlight work? When you are exposed to sunlight first thing in the morning, a series of processes are initiated throughout the body. It begins when light hits photosensitive cells inside your eyes, which then send signals up to the brain. These signals travel to a part of the brain known as the suprachiasmatic nucleus in the hypothalamus region of the brain, which then sets off a cascade of events throughout the body. The master clock for your circadian rhythm resides in this area of the brain, the suprachiasmatic nucleus. So now, what is circadian rhythm? Circadian rhythm is your body's internal 24-hour clock that orchestrates a symphony of processes throughout the body, including digestion, metabolism, your sleep-wake cycle, and even your body temperature. For a deeper dive into circadian rhythm, I highly recommend a book by Dr. Sachin Panda called The Circadian Code. What happens next is that the production of a hormone called melatonin is suppressed. Melatonin is a sleep hormone, and when the sleep hormone production is suppressed, it creates wakefulness. At the same time, production of another hormone called cortisol is increased. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone, and it's very crucial with wakefulness, alertness, and giving you the energy to wake up and get out and do things in life. By experiencing sunlight in the morning, you are sending a small signal to your brain and your body that helps you prepare for the day. Now comes the fascinating part where sunlight exposure triggers the production of another hormone in the body called serotonin. Now, serotonin is both a hormone and a neurotransmitter, and it sends messages between your brain and your body. Serotonin is very essential in regulating your mood, which is why it's also known as the feel-good hormone. Apart from regulating your mood and keeping you focused and emotionally stable, it plays an important role in digestion, wound healing, bone health, and surprisingly, even sleep. Sleep is where serotonin really shines. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight exposure in the day releases serotonin, and you also get the added benefit of getting vitamin D. And as a population, we are all vitamin D deficient. And another thing that boosts serotonin levels is daily regular exercise. So how does your body make serotonin? Well, serotonin is made from an essential amino acid called tryptophan. Now, tryptophan is an essential amino acid because your body cannot make tryptophan on its own. It must be obtained from the food that you eat. Luckily, tryptophan is available from a vast number of foods, including dairy, meat, poultry. From a vegan or vegetarian perspective, you can get tryptophan from nuts, seeds, grains, lentils, legumes. The idea here is to get tryptophan from as many different food sources as possible, and to always remember to combine some carbohydrates such as vegetables with your protein so that it helps with the absorption of tryptophan. Serotonin and melatonin. I mentioned earlier that sunlight exposure in the morning suppresses the production of the sleep hormone melatonin. Well, melatonin and serotonin have a very interesting relationship. Serotonin is actually the precursor or the building block for melatonin. Enzymes in the body convert tryptophan into serotonin, and other enzymes convert serotonin into melatonin. Now imagine this. As evening falls and daylight fades, serotonin production increases, setting the stage for the production of melatonin. As darkness falls, the production of melatonin rises, which in turn promotes sleepiness and prepares your body for slumber. Serotonin and melatonin have a symbiotic relationship, and you need healthy levels of both for a healthy life. Now, the more I learnt about these neurotransmitters and hormones, I learned that optimizing them allowed me to optimize my sleep-wake cycle. Now, how can you apply this information to your life? When you wake up in the morning, step outside, even if it's for 10-15 minutes. Go for a walk, go for a jog, do some yoga, do a workout. Get sunlight exposure on your eyes and skin. It'll have an outsized impact on the quality of your day and on your health. And it'll have a huge impact on the quality of your sleep. Good sleep is the secret ingredient to life. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.